Noor Syafiqah Binti Ali, number matrix BT24110164. So today I will be presenting a digital resource evaluation of an application called Speech Ace, which is an AI-powered tool designed to help learners improve their English speaking and pronunciation skills. Now let's talk about Speech Ace. Speech Ace uses advanced speech recognition technology to analyze how learners speak English. It focuses on important speaking aspects such as pronunciation accuracy, fluency, word stress, and intonation. After learners speak, the app immediately provides feedback and scoring, which helps them to understand their strengths and the areas that they need to improve. What makes speech as interesting that it acts almost like a personal speaking coach. Instead of waiting for teachers' feedback, students can practice speaking anytime and will receive instant correction from the system itself. This makes it especially useful for learners who may feel shy or lack confidence when speaking English in class. The target learners for this application are Form 1 to Form 3 secondary school students in Malaysia, especially those at weak to intermediate level. It is particularly helpful for students who are struggling with pronunciation and actually need more guided speaking practice. Now, I will show you how Speech Ace is used. Let's go.
Once you open the app, you will see a variety of speaking and pronunciation activities designed to help learners improve different aspects of their English speaking skills. First, I choose the simple sentences activity. Once I selected, a sentence will appear on the screen. Next, I click the microphone button and start speaking by following the text shown. In this video, the audio is muted, possibly due to privacy settings or restrictions from the application itself. However, normally the system would record and analyze the user's speech. After I finish speaking, the app immediately provides feedback. It shows my overall score and breaks down my pronunciation performance. It also highlights specific words that need improvement, making it easier for learners to identify their mistakes. In addition, the system divides words into syllables, which helps learners understand exactly which part of the word they pronounce incorrectly. Next, we will moving on to a more advanced speaking activity, which is paragraph based on a sports topic. In this section, the text is longer and more challenging because it includes multiple sentences, more vocabulary, and requires better fluency and pronunciation control. I begin by reading the paragraph aloud, following the text shown on the screen. Since this is an advanced level task, I need to focus more on my fluency and sentence stress and overall pronunciation while speaking. After that, as you can see, it shows my overall score and also breaks down my performance in detail. I can see which parts of the paragraph I did well and which parts I need to improve. So actually here I was listening to the model pronunciation on which word that I need to improve. As you can see here, the feedback is very specific, so I can clearly see my mistakes at word level and even syllable level, which makes it easy to correct and practice again.
Speech Ace mainly focuses on speaking skills, especially pronunciation and fluency. It helps students sound clearer and more natural when speaking English, which is often one of the biggest challenges for ESL learners. At the same time, it also supports listening skills because students need to listen carefully to the model pronunciation before they respond. From a teaching perspective, Speech Ace is very useful for digital assessment. Instead of only relying on teachers' observation, the app provides automatic scoring based on student performance. This makes it easier for teachers to evaluate speaking skills in a more consistent and objective way. It is also useful for formative assessment because students can practice repeatedly and improve based on feedback, not just receive a final score. In conclusion, Speech Ace is a very useful digital tool for ESL learning, especially for improving pronunciation and speaking skills. It supports learners by giving instant feedback, encouraging practice, and helping teachers with digital assessment. Overall, I would say that this application can be considered a valuable AI-based speaking assistant that can help students to build their confidence and improve their English speaking ability in a more independent and interactive way. So that's it for the digital app evaluation. See you soon. Goodbye.